The large frame GT Avalanche. 29-inch tires. GT logo right there. Avalanche 29-inch. Nice colors. Got the GT seat. The Altera seat post. Real positive lockdown on the seat post. Very, very good. Very, very decent Shimano Alivio derailleur. And a very decent Shimano cassette. 9 gears, I believe. And the Altera cranks, which are also very decent. The only thing that sucks is that this is a 3x, so that's not really cool. I'm going to get rid of that. This 606 or 6061 aluminum is very good quality. The welds are really well done. I put these on. Got a water bottle. Lockout. Adjustable front suspension, which is a high upgrade. Just this right here, which is SR Suntour XCT, where you can see 29-inch wheels right there. It's designed for that. I think this is a $200 upgrade. Disc brakes, front and rear. A very small but functional dork disc. Very cool dork disc. Very good bike. WTB tires. S by 19. These are 29-inch in height, and then in width, they're 2.5 inches wide. Good knobbies. The air is good. They made sure of that when I got it. It's a new bike. Bought brand new at Dick's Sporting Goods. Shimano Altus shifter. And these brakes are Tektro? Yeah, Tektro. Tektro brakes. I don't know. I'm not familiar with them. But what's cool about them is that they use mineral oil, not hydraulic fluid. Even they're hydraulic brakes, but they're filled with the reservoirs filled with mineral oil as opposed to brake fluid or hydraulic fluid. So it's easier to swap out with mineral oil. I can go buy that, much cheaper at Home Depot or whatever. So, and it's better on the environment. So mineral oil